right. Good morning to everyone just joining us. Good morning, good morning. Easy money, David the Great. What are we talking easy money? What's the buy this morning? MVIS off of its 10% high. Tesla's trading down lower to 723, 722 now. We're dropping into the open. Got about just an hour, just under an hour until the opening bell. And the 5-minute bar on Tesla not looking good. Arnie's saying puts on American Airlines. AS, like in the Galway Metals. Just got some Doge. You guys, did you see the Elon tweet for Doge? Just drop that in the Discord if you haven't seen the Elon tweet. Picture of Doge planting a Doge flag on the moon. Elon says, literally. This guy has the power to actually plant a Dogecoin flag on the moon, so we'll see if that actually happens. We might see a dime Dogecoin. This guy puts a Dogecoin flag on the moon itself. I could see him putting the Dogecoin logo on one of these rockets headed to the moon. Yeah, the trick is to buy before the tweets, right? Bitcoin taking a little dip here. Kind of some activity, 49,000 on the Bitcoin dip. Elon must keep some strange hours, kind of like us, because he tweets out at 2 in the morning on Texas time, and now it's 6 in the morning Texas time. When is he sleeping? The tweets are a good time to sell. I think so too. Right after the tweets, you see the nice hike and then sell off some Doge. The tweet's probably the only reason that Doge is holding up here. So you guys in Ethereum with these flash crashes here, don't be too afraid. Ethereum can drop. I mean, it can drop down. It hit a high of $1,400 back in 2018 and dropped back down to $350. So those things can happen, but look where we're at now. Geniuses don't sleep. Well, you know, I might lost a little sleep too if I lost $15 billion in 2 days. That's a significant dent. It's like a 10% dent in the overall wealth. Ethereum will be getting some more exposure here as the NFTs, those non-fungible tokens, sell off at Sotheby's and Christie's art house, art auctions. He doesn't care about the 15 billion. AMC trading lower now too, $7.31 on AMC. So just under an hour until the opening bell here. Going to look at some plays. I'm going to run a few pre-market screeners and I'll drop those into the Discord. We'll see what's moving around here in pre-market and see what to really be paying attention to. I'll bring that to you guys here on YouTube as well. So I'm going to run a few stock scanners here and I'll be right back with you guys.
Hey, if you haven't already, please give the like button a boop on the snoot for us. And please, please, please subscribe. We keep our chat room up 24/7 so that you can join us any time of the day or night to discuss some stonks. A reminder that there are free stocks worth up to just over $1,800 in the description if you sign up using the Webull link, which is what you see in the background, as well as links to the setup we use for trading, the music we play, and the Discord link where we provide alerts for trading opportunities. Don't forget to boop our snoots and subscribe.
Okay, here we are getting close. Getting closer here. Getting closer to the open. Tesla dipping down to $715. Watching that Tesla chart closely. Just hit the bottom. Bouncing back up a little bit. AMC down to $7.27. Jamie King checking into the chat. PD, you know we're here. Bulldog's here. SYPR, we're here in SYPR to take a peek at that. Just 22 minutes to open. Let's jump over and throw that up on the screen. SYPR. For those of you not in the Discord, I just dropped some early morning scans into the Discord. Definitely some things to pay attention to. So SYPR running in pre-market right now, guys. Let's break this down in the 5-minute chart and see how long this thing's been going. Really started taking off here. Looks like it closed the day at $2.69, $2.66. And in pre-market, we're up 152% to $6.73 so far. With some volume really coming in the last 5 minutes. Going down to the 1-minute chart here. And let's see what this is about. Cypress Solutions, provider of outsourced services and specialty products. The company offers a range of manufacturing, engineering, design, and other technical services. Operated through 2 segments, Cypress Technologies and Cypress Electronics. Looks like 38 minutes ago we had some news breaking. Cypress Solutions received a follow-on award from a U.S. DoD prime contractor to manufacture and test electronic power supply modules. That's what I'm seeing in the news here. Breaking 38 minutes ago. Just about lining up with what we're seeing here. So SYPR, an early market mover, up 151% in pre-market. Some other movers you guys might be aware of. ZOM. ZOM is up 12.7% in pre-market if you're playing the ZOM. As far as unusual volume, we've got some 500% volume scanners here. And we've got SNSS, Sunesis Pharmaceuticals, SNSS. Unusual volume. Here's that unusual volume spike right there. With a jump to 550, this thing could be a mover today. It's only up 14% so far. I'm not seeing any news catalyst, but this volume bar tells me either there is a news catalyst, or there's a whale, or there's something going on here. So I like this volume bar. This looks like something I might add to my positions today and see what's going on here. We've got 46 million shares in volume today, coming off of a 3 million share volume. Oh, those are weekly charts. Daily volume. So going back one day, we had 300,000 share volume and 46 million share volume. So what's going on there? Definitely something to look into here. Let's take a peek at the order book. This could be a real interesting one here today, guys. SNSS, major volume spike. That's why I run these early morning volume spike indicators. We got another one here that hasn't moved much. The big, we played some of this big. This was something yesterday. BBIG. And that's where we saw. This is the volume spike that we saw. So not really sure what's going on with this guy. Had that big spike in pre-market yesterday and then trended down the whole way past its previous close. So who knows what's going to happen with this thing. Not really something I'm looking at playing today. But showed up in the volume scanner anyway. We've got another volume scanner here set to $1 to $5 for you guys who like to play those pennies. RAAACW. It's a lot of too many. RAACW. No profile, huh? Our key executives. Not really sure what's going on here. This could just be popping up on the volume indicator here. This looks pretty empty here. So not sure what's going on there. You guys can look into this if you want. Not a lot of information on the company, at least here in Webull. No market cap information, no company profile information. Revolution Excel, NASDAQ listed. Big gap up into the close. So up 63%. Don't know what's happening there, but something to look at. $15 minutes to open here. Let's see what else is hitting unusual volume here. Unusual volume in RRD, R.R. Donnelly and Sons Company, focused on creating, managing, producing, distributing, and processing content on behalf of its clients. 2 segments: business services, marketing solutions. Pre-market gainers is the news that it's hitting today. An 8K filing 16 hours ago. Press release the fourth quarter results. So let's shake it back here to the daily chart and see what's happening. Basically looks like it got hit pretty hard yesterday, so it's gaining some back in pre-market today. That's what it looks like to me. Am I in GameStop? Just dubbed my position 2 days ago. Fenris short interest numbers being published tonight. I have a few GameStop shares. I'm in GameStop at $265 a share. So yes, I am holding GameStop. AS, if the hearing is today, text me the link and we'll watch a little bit of that hearing here live. Or I'll check it out. Let me see if I can find it today. Not seeing anything about the hearing today. Dang, $265. I'm not seeing anything about the hearing today, guys. Yeah, I'm in GameStop at $265. The GameStop hearing with Roaring Kitty and Vlad. And so forth. We watched the hearing live on here 6 days ago. It was entertainment. It definitely was entertainment. You never know. Maybe GameStop will go back up. I got 2 shares at $265. Actually averaged down to $265. Don't plan on selling those shares anytime soon. I'll sell those shares when they hit the 1,000 mark. Yeah, yes or no. We'll see if Vlad can put out some answers in the next hearing. So Joshua, into GameStop at $199. Do you think it would be beneficial for us to average down? I'm not averaging down. I'm holding my GameStop for basically moral purposes. Good morning, C. Walters. Thanks for joining us. I think there are better plays than GameStop right now. So I think I'll use my funds to do that rather than average my GameStop down. Don't have to take a win on a particular stock, guys. It's about percentage gains in your account. So look at the overall beneficial. Yeah, you still need to average down from 265. No, I'm all right. How do you set the volume scanner? So I set it through TD Ameritrade. If you check it out in the Discord, I sent some pictures in there. I drop my volume scans in the Discord every morning. And you can see how my settings are set right in the top of the pictures that I drop in the morning. Chris, if I had 265 in it, I would never sell. I would just lose my money. Yeah, I'm thinking about requesting physical certificates and framing them, putting them on my wall, part of this GameStop movement. AMC predictions for today. Anybody got predictions for AMC today? I think it depends on market direction. If Tesla considers to sell off, like Tesla's down to $710 right now. Tesla sells off, AMC goes up. That's my prediction. Market sells off, AMC will see some gains. Siren not looking so great. A couple percentage point gains this morning. Traded down to 81 cents yesterday. If you got in at 81 cents, you're looking excellent on the Siren trade. You can watch the Doge chart on Webull. Yeah, we could pull a Doge chart up. Look at Doge at almost 6 cents now after the Elon tweet just a little bit ago. Yeah, Chad, you can plug it all you want. Let people know. Come and check out the charts. You know we keep them up 24/7 and the chat up 24/7 here. So DJ Larry says if we stay above $8 on market close Friday, the gamma squeeze is inevitable. We could see some mania if AMC keeps these levels, holds these levels, especially if it closes over $8 on Friday with all of the options that are out right now. There will be some buying pressure coming into AMC. Don't really have thoughts on Naked. Let's see where it's at here. At $1.05. We've watched some serious volatility. There's definitely been enough action in Naked. The volume's diminished over the last few weeks compared to what we saw through the WallstreetBets hype. But we have seen plenty of price action on Naked. Sundial now down to 131 after we saw 140 earlier in the morning. Now this is just before open here, guys. 5 minutes to open, and there could be a potential crash coming. Tesla trading down 709 now. It's not looking great. Let me check the broader markets here. Okay, NASDAQ futures trading down 0.7%. S&P futures down 0.2%. Dow futures almost 0.2% down. So it's looking red. It's looking red overall here, guys. Not really sure what's going to be green today. We'll see what happens. You never know. The market could open up red and then climb the rest of the day. We will see. Lavender, don't know why Tesla's trading down. We saw it drop to 660 yesterday, or maybe a little bit less. So we are in a week-long, at least a week-long bear market here, turning into a longer type of bear market. I think what we're seeing is a lot of people get scared out yesterday. A lot of hedge funds and bigwigs even getting scared out of the market yesterday, taking some money to the side to buy these dips for the future, but that causes sell pressure. So sell pressure causes moves to the downside, and that's where we're looking here. If the market continues to sell off, I will like the SLV options, as we could see a move towards safer things like that. So we'll see what happens here. We're about 4 minutes from the open. Silver and gold, not the sure bet that it was, but I do see silver and gold rising if the market continues to trend down. But it isn't the safe bet it once was. But there's enough old school people out there believing in silver and gold to where the price will trade up, especially as inflation continues to rise and the market continues to trend downwards. For me, physical silver and gold is the best. When it really crunches, physical silver and gold is hard to get your hands on and will trade sometimes. I mean, obviously it'll trade 10 to 20% premium to spot price, but sometimes up to 50%, maybe even 100% over spot price. We're hearing some rumors of that over in the UK right now, that to get your hands on an ounce of silver in your hand could be as much as $50 an ounce. So here we go, 3 minutes to open. Gonna set up the, keep an eye on the day trading charts here for just a few minutes at open. That's where the most opportunities are for day trading with the high volatility at open, so pay attention. And I'm going to be watching that Tesla chart closely, as it's going to basically pushed the NASDAQ around today, which is essentially pushing the entire market around. So I'll be keeping my eye on that Tesla chart. I'll probably be trading off a bit with my other stocks. Tesla goes up, my other stocks will follow in about 10 seconds. Tesla goes down, it's going to go the same way. At least that's how it was yesterday morning. Can't count on patterns being the same every day, but that's what I'm playing on. I'll watch it. If it works that way, we'll use it. You're ready to go today, Raptor. Awesome. Station, welcome back. Okay, going to keep my eye on the screen, glued to the screen here for just a few minutes, and then I'll come back and give you a market update. Tesla trading up to 712 now. Going to keep my eye on the screen, and I'll come back for a recap here in a few minutes after we scalp a few hundred, hopefully a few thousand out of the market real quick. Okay, guys. Wow. Ask for volatility, and ye shall receive volatility. AMC back to $7.63. Tesla all over the place now at $713. Josh, you got that Galway Metals, and you're never selling it. Makes you smile every time you see the ticker. I'm down on my Galway. I'm down $11 on my 100 shares I got at the Galway yesterday, but I still get the smile as well. AMC now headed up here, guys. $7.63 on AMC. Sundial back up to $1.41 now, 11%, almost 12% gain on the day. GameStop even taking off here, $46 GameStop. GameStop dropped the PlayStation 5 last night. I tried to secure that bag and couldn't, but they had it live for about an hour. So I finally let go of my Nokia. Just couldn't keep holding that bag. Don't even look at Sundial for a month or two. You'll make a bad sale. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen there? That's still a speculative play on if they can do business in the USA, if the USA federally legalizes cannabis. Siren up to $1.03. That's good. That's good. I started scaling out of the Siren trade before earnings come out. Although I have been buying on the dips, it's been a nice little dip buy lately. Why sell Nokia? It's going up real high soon. I just don't. I was just tired of watching it bleed in my account. Tired of looking at the red parentheses. And I do believe we will see some more opportunities. Look at the volatility right now. I mean, Tesla's up and down and up and down here. And AMC is just up, guys. 778. Oh, we could see $8 AMC today, guys. Nokia's not moving like I want it to. I want to be in some other things that are moving in the right direction for me. Now it could reach $8 by April, but I'll take the $4 I got out of it and put that into something else. So Riot doing okay. Riot's doing okay, although it's down a little bit from where it was, following Bitcoin slightly. Logicos dropped your Nokia bag last week. Well, nice job. You dropped it at a better price than me, but look at Nokia heading down now. Saw a slight little pop in Nokia and let it go. Station got some beer money out of Sundial. GSAT's back up. Tim, if you're watching that Spawn F is up slightly on the day. HCMC not doing so well, one of the red names on the board, but everything else green. Everything else looking green. So is Netflix or Amazon still buying AMC? I actually read some articles about Amazon buying AMC that were from back in October. Back in October, there were some reliable publications putting out information saying that Amazon is circling AMC. Not even sure why. We're not sure what's going to happen there. They could. Of course they could. They've got the capital. That is, right now they do. AMC goes to the moon and they might have to think twice about the price. Chris, AMC is definitely a speculative gamble. Let's say the news comes out later on this month and nothing happens, right? HCMC could drop hard. So do consider that. Of course, it could go way up. Could go way up on good news catalyst. So SYPR, one of the big movers today. I'm going to throw that up on the watch list. SYPR. I'm going to drop Rito. Dropping Rito off the list. There we go. List looks better already. Okay. So Amazon has their own movie production company, released some of their own movies in the past. That's why they might be rumored to buy AMC. Time will tell. Thanks, DJ. Like the green list, though. Liking the green on the board today. Tesla now hitting lows, guys. Tesla hitting lows. Let me check and see what's going on in the overall market here. Surprisingly, our list looking green, but the Nasdaq now down over 1%. S&P down 0.35%. The Dow is down 0.1%. Nasdaq continuing to drop now with Tesla pulling it down. Tesla about to drop below 700, bouncing off 700 right now. $700. 700 on Tesla going once, $700 going twice. Is going to drop below 700. A lot of support at 700. 701 now. Bouncing off that 700 mark. I hate to say it, but if Tesla drops below 700 again today, this market could be in a little bit of trouble. I have heard of the institutional connection between AMC and Amazon. Institutional buyer connection. So watching a lot of things ticking lower right now. Ticking lower. Tesla just dropped below 700, 698 now. We could be losing a little bit of momentum in this market. I took some things off the table. I don't think I'm the only one taking things off the table today. And moving to a little bit of cash. Saw a little bit of green in my portfolio and cut some of my positions in half. Still have exposure to the upside on some, but have some cash on the side from them as well. Yes, GameStop is up to $46.36. GameStop up 3% on the day. AMC at $7.79 now. $7.77. AMC chart, vice versa the Tesla chart. You know, they were trading kind of the same in pre-market. The market opened and they're trading in opposite directions here. My Chan, things are tough. We're looking at a red market. A lot of green on the map today. That's because everything was in the 20, 30, 40% red yesterday. So a little bit of bounce back on these plays we have on the watch list, but with Tesla trading lower, looks like it bounced back up now, $704 on Tesla. If it can hold this line, we might not be in so much trouble, but Tesla trade much lower. Could put the tech sector in jeopardy as a whole, as we're now trading into like the 4th or 5th lower trading days across the market now. So anybody in on that master beat trade with me? Looking up today, master beat looking up. MSTO, just a little penny trade there, but big gains on the master beat today. Whoever's in on that small play with me. Lots of daily gains on my personal portfolio into some smaller stuff right now based on the game changer penny theory. Good morning, Saul. It looks like a green day, doesn't it? It looks like a green day over here, but not for everyone, as the entire market has gone red. And the NASDAQ is now trading 1.3% lower. The S&P is off by 0.55%. The Dow Jones down 0.35% now. Looks green here, looks green over here, but overall the market's not looking great. Still trending downwards. So tech selling off pretty good today. Amazon down 1.6%. Microsoft down 1.15%. Apple down 1.7%. Google down 1%. Facebook selling off today, down 1.7%. So the tech is selling off here. What's still looking good? Visa still showing gains. MasterCard showing gains. Johnson & Johnson doing all right today. Tesla's bouncing back, 712. Home Depot's down another 3.3%.